Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your calls keep ending when you press the lock button. So this happens a lot to me and I just want to turn it off. So you're going to go to accessibility, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and then you're going to select not the side button one, you're going to go to the touch. Then you're going to select prevent lock to end call. So it's going to prevent the side button from ending the current call, and I'm just going to enable it so whenever I'm on a call with someone and I've accidentally pressed the side button, it's not going to end the call. But that's pretty much how you can prevent lock to end call on your iPhone and settings. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. I hope it helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.